Hey, hi everyone. Good morning. So, guys, from today we are going to start a brief overview on this detox or the configuration, advantages, examples, and the various scenarios that we will be working on this detox. So, let's get started. So, what exactly this detox is? This is an open source end-to-end testing framework for validating the React Native mobile applications. So this is an precisely developed for a React Native mobile application itself. So you can test any end-to-end flow on a mobile app itself. Okay, that's what the most important thing here. And the most important thing that we need to consider here is with a zero flakiness, we can test that particular mobile app. And let us see a brief overview on that. And a couple of key things that you need to consider here is whenever you are testing your mobile app using this particular detox, you can run it on either a real device or on a virtual devices also. So how the real user is gonna perform that particular actions, this detox will be performing the actions in such a way itself. Okay, the detox would be performing the actions in that particular way. So let us see a brief overview, its advantages and limitations as part of this particular session. So this detox is a gray box testing tool basically. Okay, so this is a gray box end-to-end testing framework. And of course, this is developed by Wix engineers, and this tests the application from a user perspective, and it supports both the Android and as well as an iOS devices. Both the devices would be supported here. Okay, fine. So then, what are all the various advantages with this tool? So the advantages are this tool execution is fast enough, basically, and it does has automatic synchronizations in place, and it supports across platforms. And of course, we do have a CI/CD integration as well with this particular tool. Okay, perfect. And the next thing that we need to consider here is the limitations with respect to this tool. So, it supports iOS virtual devices, which is a simulators, but the real devices support for iPhone isn't there, which is the greatest limitation here. And another limitation that we can consider is precisely for an React Native applications. And of course, it requires a Metro bundler, okay, that anyways we will be studying later. So immediately a question that comes in our mind, Surendra, we do have an APM, so why we need a detox basically, right? So here is the point. So we have a clearly discussed that this is a React Native only. So there are certain situations where APM has some limitations while interacting with the React Native applications. So the UI elements won't be properly loaded with respect to the APM, which we can't handle it properly. In such a cases, this is the best tool that we can pick and that we can use it in order to handle that particular applications. Okay, perfectly all right. So on a high level, we can say that this is an end-to-end mobile automation testing tool that supports both Android and an iOS. But the limitation here is iOS on a virtual device, not on a real devices, and the execution is faster. It does has an automatic synchronization in place. Okay, perfectly all right. In the next session, let us see how exactly we can compare this detox with either an XCUI test or an APM. Let us see on a quick glimpse. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.